Hey everybody, it's Talk Picks by Tim. I've got an important level for you to watch, but first I want to get into some recent news. I haven't talked about Ozop in a while, but I did want to get into this news here that came out a couple days ago. Now this was just a few days as of this upload, but Ozop Energy Solutions and Hyde Engineering are actually going to be working together to bring a NeoGrid to market. The NeoGrid proof of concept will prove out our distribution plan and our modular engineering design by deploying to real-life applications. It will confirm our financial model and validate our energy loss calculations, defining resistance losses. So the whole point of this NeoGrid is that it's going to be able to support the currently elusive level 3 charger, the under 30-minute charger market. We are going to have to upgrade our grid or find other ways, hint, hint, clean spark microgrids. Coming from the CEO, Brian Conway of Ozop's mouth, this begins the development phase for the proof of concept prototype that we have been seeking. With our experience in energy storage, technology, and EVs, we will move forward from the conceptual idea to proof of concept, then prospectively to a commercial ready prototype in approximately 8 months. So late summer, we should be expecting something from this here. He goes on to say, Hyde shares our vision and outside of the box way of thinking, making our blueprint for energy mobility a reality. But they do hold a PE license, which stands for Professional Engineer, in 23 states, and a history of technical engineering and service to commercial, industrial, and utility connected advanced energy projects, including solar storage microgrids, EV charging, and backup generation. Let's check them out. And now this is their actual site, and I'll leave a link for you guys below so you can look through it. I'm not really going to go through everything here, but it is a really young company. They were founded in 2015. And yeah, so they've only got about 5-6 years under their belt. So they have different types of designs, you can see here. And from what I understand, this is a private company, meaning you can't buy the stock. They've designed protective relays. They've designed and spec'd a specific utility-approved relay scheme. They also help to provide the design of a hybrid electrical system for this boat. And it's one of the first hybrid marine vessels of its kind. And HES will continue to provide specialty marine engineering for such applications. So they're in the water, they're doing battery charging, they're doing relays, and I will of course leave the articles. You can find all these articles yourself, but they also try to reuse batteries, old batteries from a major EV manufacturer. It doesn't say which one. I think this will be a good fit working together with Ozop. And looking at the chart, I would want to see I'd want to see it break this downward trend here. It is kind of falling. We are starting to consolidate though. So if it can hold this level and break this, that could be a bullish move here. You'll notice that the RSI is pointing up and the MACD is curling. And if you zoom out a bit, you'll see that we had a pretty decent support here before bouncing off very nicely. Although we did break it and kind of trade sideways for a bit there. So max downside, this could go down to 3 cents. Now be aware though that this is a penny stock and it is pretty risky. I do have a position in this. I do like to get in and get out with this one, take some profits, buy back in, and rinse and repeat. But I did get out on this little run up. I did keep a little portion though, and I will likely buy some more here on Friday or into next week. But that's basically it for you guys. Keep an eye on Ozop, look for this level, see if it can bounce and retrace. But yeah, right now, if it doesn't hold this, it will likely drop, come down to about 3 cents. And there is, of course, risk in this one. I have gone over it before, highlighting more of the risk factors, like the fact that they're going to likely run out of money and need to either dilute or they're going to need to get into more debt. That's all I got for you. Always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Thanks as always, guys, and see you next time.